Hi, in this video I'll show you how to properly create and set up collision for 3D models in Unreal Engine. Let's start in Blender. Select the mesh you want to export. Reset its position by pressing Alt-G. Copy the exact name of the mesh. Then go to File, Export FBX. Export it into your Unreal project folder. Enable selected objects, disable animations. Click Export. Open Unreal Engine and click the Import notification. In the pop-up window, click Import All. Now drag the object into the scene and let's see how the collision looks. Double-click the mesh to open it in the Static Mesh editor. Change the view mode to Player Collision. Inside the Static Mesh editor, there are two main approaches. The first option is to manually add simple shapes like box or convex. This works for basic objects, but becomes inconvenient for complex models. The second option is to change collision complexity and select Use Complex Collision as Simple. In this mode, Unreal uses the actual render mesh as collision. This is very accurate, but more expensive in terms of performance. This method is suitable only for static objects. It should not be used for physics-simulated meshes. You can also choose which lot Unreal uses for complex collision to reduce performance cost. If you need full control and optimization, it's better to create custom collision in Blender. Go back to Blender. Add a simple cube, Shift-A Mesh Cube, shape the collision using G-Move, as Scale, R for Rotate. Keep the collision simplified. There's no need to recreate small details. Now, the important part. Unreal recognizes custom collision using the prefix UCX. If your main mesh is named Chair, then the collision mesh should be named UCX Chair 01. If there are multiple parts, UCX Chair 0101, UCX Chair 0102. The name after UCX must exactly match the original mesh name. Select all collision meshes, then select the main mesh last. Go to File, Export FBX, and export without changing the settings. Import the FBX into Unreal. Very important, disable Generate Missing Collision during import. Open the Static Mesh editor, enable collision visualization. Unreal will automatically detect the UCX meshes and assign them as custom collision. Great! Now you know how to export and use custom collision. Automatic collision works fine for simple objects. For complex architecture and production assets, it's better to use custom UCX collision. Thanks for watching.